Hey everyone, it's me, Allegra. I am currently in the middle of packing, you guys. I have done so much. I'm so proud of myself, but I have so much more to go. You guys, it's like, you guys, I can't even. It's crazy. And, you know, I really didn't think I have that much stuff. I don't know how people do it when they have a family and a lot of people to pack up for it, because I'm just packing up for me and my husband, you know, and the dogs, but it's crazy. I have just accumulated I don't know what crazy stuff. I have a teacup collection, you guys. It's crazy. We had to pack each teacup, and you know, when you're collecting teacups, you're just like, you're not thinking about ever having to move them. But you know, I used to go to like estate sales and stuff like that, and I would just go crazy, and I just wound up accumulating so many teacups, and it just took us like hours to pack them. My husband's helping me, thank God. So it took us so long to pack them, but we did it, guys. We did it. We made it through. And so we still have a bunch more to do, though. I still have to pack my beauty room, so I have to pack all my makeup. That's gonna be crazy. But we're doing it, guys. We're doing it. That's the good news. We are doing it, because I was like, we can't do it, and now I'm just like, okay, we're doing it. It's happening. That's what I'm trying to say. It's happening. I'm like, I'm shocked. I'm looking at it right now and I'm like, girl, what? We did a lot, though. Let me show you guys where we're at. I did want to just pop in though, guys, and I know today I was gonna have I know last week I had said I was gonna start my beauty battles, where I wanted to battle out the different beauty products, but I got so behind with packing and this, that, and the other, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it today. But I will definitely do it again, and I think I told you guys this already. Well, I made a video and I was talking about it. I'm not sure if it's uploaded. Yeah, I didn't upload it yet, because I did do a tutorial using all my new Drugstore makeup. Phenomenal. I'm actually wearing the Wet n Wild tinted hydrator right now. Oh my god, it is so good. And Crystal, I'm so sorry, but I think it is okay, maybe the Urban Decay is more hydrating, but it is a very, very close dupe. It's the Wet n Wild tinted hydrator, and it is really an amazing dupe for the Urban Decay, the new tinted hydrator that they came out with, Hydromaniac. I feel so bad, because I know I didn't try the Wet n Wild till after I tried the Urban Decay, so I didn't realize how amazing it was going to be. But the Wet n Wild is good. Oh my god. And then today I'm also wearing, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that, but I'm wearing the Big Papa mascara from Wet n Wild. That is also phenomenal. I didn't wear too much eyeshadow. See, last time I did that kind of video and I was trying to show the mascara, my eyes, I did too much smoky eyes, and like a few of you beauty said, you're like, I can't see the mascara. I hear you, I hear you. You are so right. So definitely next time I'm going to do just like a no eyeshadow, or just a very basic eyeshadow, you know, not smoky eye where you can't really see the mascara. But this Big Papa from Wet n Wild is so stinking good. I was like, no, when I used it, I was like, oh my god. Because, you know, I had just got the Bambi, and then it's addicting, and it just came out. So I wasn't, anyway. Let me show you where I'm at right now with my packing for I figured I'd do a little tiny moving vlog today. And also I got a bunch of packages in my P.O. box, but I was gonna open them with you guys today, but now I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. It's pretty late now, guys, and I want to make sure that I get this up for you guys. So we'll see how far we get, because I got a lot of packages. I mean, it doesn't seem like a lot, but sometimes, but actually it is, because when you open them, there's usually, you know, people are so good to send you a bunch of stuff inside. But I did get a package from Jennifer Berthier, so I really want to open that, and I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Jennifer. She sent it all the way from Australia. So maybe today, we'll see how far we get. I definitely want to open that package though. And then I'll come back and we'll open more packages another day maybe, because I got two collections from Colourpop, two new Colourpop collections that I wanted to open and do swatches. I'll probably just have to do like a whole video for it, but to show you everything, because I want to do swatches and all that. How can I show everything today? It'd be too much. But let me show you guys where I'm at. So you guys, this is everything we did so far. So we just put all the Christmas decorations away. So this is where our tree was before, in this kind of corner here, but now we got the boxes, so we're gonna fill up these boxes, and we got all of these supplies here. Actually, this is what we wrap the teacups in and the plates in and things like that. They have a kit that you can purchase from U-Haul, so we purchased the kit, and it comes with everything in the kit. So they give you the bubble wrap, they give you these cups, these boxes for cups and things like that. And then they give you this tape, the movers wrap, so you could do everything yourself. They give you everything, guys. The little, even this thing right here, this thingamajig to cut with, the tape to wrap everything really well, the, you know, really good marker. So they give you everything in this kit. And what's really good about this kit also is that they give you these wardrobe boxes. So all you do, actually they give you all of this as well. This is to put your mattress bag in, antimicrobial protection, and then to cover your TV. They are going to move everything, but we're going to wrap it up really well so that nothing breaks. Then they gave us this wrapping paper here. Let me just move this because I'm going to put some stuff in the wardrobe box. So let me move this to show you guys. There's Bonita. Mommy, hi, you excited? Can move to new house? Come play in the yard? Yeah. So guys, they give you this paper so you can wrap everything, you know, your dishes or whatnot. But this box is so good, and actually you could definitely keep it. We're going to wind up keeping it in the garage and keeping, you know, maybe winter clothes in it and things like that. So let me show you guys. I'm going to put some stuff in right now. We already did 2 of these, so I'm so proud of me and the mister. Me and the hubs. We did these 2 already. One is his, and then one is mine. We did, these are all of our, it's like, you know, fine china type of things. My teacups are fine, you know, our special dishes, you know, for our fancy dishes, let's put it that way. And then here are some of my clothes. So I just took it right out of the closet. Oop, I lost something. And then you just go ahead and put it right on the hanger. Oh, I hope these fit on this hanger. But there you go. And then you can also put your shoes on the bottom or whatnot, things that you don't need to be on a hanger. So I'm going to put my shoes down here, and then you just take it right off of out of your closet and you hang it up and it's good to go. So I did just drop a few here. As you guys can see, you just go ahead and put it in the box and then when you get to your new house, you can just take it right off the hangers and then put it right into your new closet. So it's pretty awesome. It's all ready to go, and yeah, it's amazing. So I've got a bunch more to do, but this is just getting started, and then we've got to fill up all of these. There's like, oh, it's going all the way back there, you guys. We got so much to do, but it's all good. You guys, my husband just got here, so he's gonna tell us now exactly what he got, what this whole situation is that he got. So what is this called that you got? Because he got something special. He got something, guys. He got something.
It's a 2-bedroom moving kit.
Okay, it's a 2-bedroom moving kit.
From you all.
From you all. How many different packages do they have at the store?
1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom.
Oh, so you could choose from 1 to 2 to 3 bedroom packages, and then this was what, 2
bedroom.
But how much did this cost?
$200.
Oh, guys, it was $200. All right. So I'm going through, you know, everything, what I'm going to bring with me, and I'm probably going to post some stuff on maybe Poshmark. Like, look how cute this little tiny Guess bag is. It's like a crossbody bag, or I want to put together a bundle. I'm definitely going to put together, you know, I have so many palettes that I really didn't just watched for a video, and so I was going to just have a big giveaway of just, if you guys want to use it. I saw somebody writing on Twitter, if you want to use it for art projects or something like that, in case you don't, if you don't like swatched makeup, you could just always use it for like doing face charts or something like that. I'm going to be doing that soon. I'm going to get, because I don't want to pack it up if I'm just going to, you know, I want to start fresh. So I also have these cute little booties, but I've never worn these, guys. They're brand new. You know, I ordered these online and I got them to my house. I thought they were really cute, but I can't walk for some reason. And I've walked in heels before, but I cannot walk in these. There's something about them. They're from Guess. My ankle gives out, and I just like, it was crazy. I don't know if the platform is too big. I have no idea what's the story with this. But yeah, I'm gonna probably put these on Poshmark, but they're so cute. But let me know what you guys think. These are size 9. I'm gonna be putting a bunch of stuff up, or I'll put together a giveaway because this is stuff I haven't even used. So if you guys are interested, I'm gonna do a giveaway where we'll do like a closet clean out giveaway. But I'm so sorry guys, but I'm planning to do videos 5 days a week now, so we'll be back, don't worry. Like, so I can, you know, get it together, and then I'll be back and I'll have something nice, like a nice bundle giveaway of, you know, all new stuff if you're the same size as me. You know, size, mostly I buy shoes size 9, so you know, if you're a size 9, I'll be back with some other, I have other stuff. I'm gonna put together a bundle, guys. It's so hard for me to talk. I'm gonna put together a bundle and I'll be back. When I talk to you guys, everything's spoiled. I'm just thinking as I talk to you guys. I don't plan it out, so I will be back and we'll do that. You guys, I was just making some dinner. I just stopped packing for a minute and I'm just making some eggplant here, and I'm gonna put some pasta and some tomato sauce. It's so good. Oh my god, so filling. And I did already make a smoothie. I gotta show you the smoothie I made. It came out so good. I'm like, you know what, I'm not even gonna buy from the store anymore. I'm just gonna make my own because it came out so good. That's another thing, if you put the top on your veggies, it kind of steams them and they come out super soft. If you're like me, I like my veggies super soft. So you put the top on, and then they, you know, you put it in for like 20 minutes. I just put water to steam them and it comes out so good. Oh my god. So here's all the packages I got, guys. Let me see if I can open a few of these with you. I know it's up my mess. I'm gonna open this another day with you guys. And here's something I ordered, and here's another Colourpop package collection, and then here is my package from Jennifer. So I really want to open this with you. Beauties. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Jennifer. I still have to put away all these Christmas decorations, but I'm just gonna pack them now. And here's my candle. It smells so good. But yeah, I gotta pack these up to go to our new house. So guys, oh my god, there's literally not a spot in my house for me to sit, so I just found this random spot to hang out in. Let's just say I'm on my kitchen floor. So anyway guys, I got my package here from Jennifer. I'm so excited to open it. Oh my god, look how beautiful even just the tape that she put on it, that houndstooth type of tape, which I love. I love that print. So let me go ahead and open it. Thank you so much, Jennifer. You know, she had sent us a little koala squeak toy for Louie and Lola, and that is their #1 favorite toy. They literally carry it around the house with them everywhere they go. They'll take it, they have a big box of toys, and they will go in the box and they will take out that one toy out of all their toys and carry it around with them. It's so funny. So oh my god, you guys, no way, wait till I show. Oh, I gotta go get them. I gotta go get them. This is so cute. Oh my god, thank you, Jennifer. It looks like it's another, oh, it's a, oh my god. Oh, it looks like Louie. Oh my god. Guys, it's an ornament. Thank you so much, Jennifer. This is beautiful. Oh my god. This might have a little Christmas hat, but this is an all year beautiful thing that I'm gonna, beautiful decoration for all year. Oh my god, thank you so much. This is so beautiful. Actually, it looks like Lola too. It looks like Louie and Lola. Oh my god. And the little ears. Thank you so much, Jennifer. Oh my gosh. Oh, so beautiful. Wait till I show my husband. Oh, she sent a card. So guys, oh my god. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my god, look how beautiful. Oh my god, you guys. Isn't this, I wish you could, I hope you could see, but I'm not sure if you could see, but it's so sparkly. Oh, this card is also helps kids helpline meet increase counseling and support for young people. That's so amazing. Dear Allegra and family, Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year. Wishing you flowers and thinking of you and lots of love always. Jennifer and Pascal. Oh, thank you so much, Jennifer. And oh my god, this is so, oh, it has a dove. Oh my god, I can't even put this away. I can't even put these things away. I don't care if it's not Christmas anymore. I'm keeping that out on my desk. That is so beautiful. That actually, you know what, they call it like frameable art. My husband got me one for Christmas. They're Christmas cards, but they're like frameable art. Because this is so sparkly in real life. I'm definitely gonna frame that. Oh, it's another, oh, it's more birds. I didn't even see that. Oh, and that's their wings. I just saw the tree at first. It's actually like a dove. That's their wings, and it's all shaped different birds into a tray. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. So there's 3 birds, and then that's their wings that is like flowing to make the tray. Oh my god, that's beautiful. That is so beautiful. I'm definitely framing that. You're gonna see that in my new house on a frame, in my by my, you know, where I always am, on my desk pretty much, or my bureau. Guys, and then she sent something else. Royal Dalton. Oh my god. Jennifer, oh my god, this is too beautiful. Oh my god, this means the world. Oh my god, I can't even tell you what this means. Oh my god, look how beautiful, you guys. Look how beautiful. Oh my god. Jennifer, thank you so much. This is so beautiful. This is also staying out all year. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Thank you so much. You have no idea how much this means to me. This is so amazing. Thank you so much. I can't even begin to tell you what this means to me. Like I was saying, your friendship, but also just that you would send this to me means so much to me. When I tell you guys what has happened to me this past year and how God just, you know, saved me, and how he had blessed me with you all in my life, and Jennifer. So thank you so much, because I am planning to tell you guys, but I told, maybe some of you might have known, but I was having a lot of health issues. I'm still having to go to the doctor like every day. So I just haven't, I don't want to talk about it right now, because like some of you might have seen in my other video, but I just was very nervous about people knowing things. I don't know, but you guys know. I'll tell you guys another day, but soon. But it's been, God truly miraculously blessed me with you, and you sending that to me it's a sign to me that, you know, he's got, everything's gonna be okay, you know. So thank you so much, Jennifer. Oh my god. And Pascal. So anyway, guys, I'll be back tomorrow. I did do a tutorial. I don't know if I can edit it though, so I'll be back tomorrow, guys. And I did do a tutorial with the drugstore makeup I got, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to edit it, but hopefully over the weekend I'll be able to edit it. But I will have that up soon, because I wanted to show you how amazing this drugstore makeup is. If you have your eye on it, if you see it in store, that Wet n Wild tinted highlighter is amazing. That Big Pop mascara is amazing. I have seen that one in store at, I think, Walgreens. I saw it, and it's, if you see it, I will tell you guys, it's amazing. If you wanted to snatch it up. But I'll be back soon. Thank you so much again, Jennifer. Thank you so much to everybody for all your support and for being there for me, because you might not know, you know, but you really are always, you're there for me, you know. You don't know how much, what you've done for me. I'm so grateful. So anyway, guys, I'll let you go for today, but I will see you beauty soon. I hope you're all doing good, and I will talk to you guys soon. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye. I love you.